Unraveling the mystery. What does bee in your bonnet mean? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a quirky and interesting phrase, bee in your bonnet. Have you ever heard someone use it and wondered what it means? Well, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together. The phrase, bee in your bonnet, is a colorful way to describe someone who is obsessed with an idea or is very preoccupied with something. Imagine a bee buzzing around inside a bonnet, a type of hat. It would be hard to focus on anything else, right? That's the picture this idiom paints for us. A person who can't let go of an idea or a concern. The origins of bee in your bonnet are not entirely clear, but it's believed to date back to the 16th or 17th century. The phrase might have stemmed from the older Scottish, a bee in the head, implying that someone is buzzing with an idea as if a bee is trapped in their bonnet, making them talk about it incessantly. Now, how can you use bee in your bonnet in a sentence? Here are a couple of examples. You've had a bee in your bonnet about starting your own business for years now. Maybe it's time to make it happen. She's got a real bee in her bonnet about environmental issues, which is why she's always advocating for sustainable practices. This phrase is perfect for situations where someone is noticeably passionate or fixated on a particular topic or idea. And there you have it, folks. The next time you hear someone say they've got a bee in their bonnet, you'll know exactly what they mean. It's all about being consumed by an idea or a cause. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase and added a new expression to your English repertoire. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips. Until next time, keep buzzing with curiosity.